Reverend Father Joseph Simon, the director, Reverend Sister Jis Maria, the principal, worthy teachers, and all my dear friends, a very pleasant good morning to all of you. I welcome you all to witness this small act of love which we, the 10th class of students, have prepared to show our love towards our loving and amazing teachers.
Teachers are mind engineers. Teachers are life directors. Don't ever undermine a teacher. To the world, you just may be a teacher, but to your students, you are a hero. Now I would like to invite Miss Jasleen to give a welcome speech.
A very warm and heartfelt good morning to our Reverend Father Joseph Simon, Reverend Sister Jis Maria, to my worthy teachers and all my dear friends. Today, I am here to welcome you all on this auspicious occasion of Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is commemorated every year on 5th of September to celebrate the birthday of Dr. Radha Krishnan. Teachers' Day is a very crucial occasion to pay tribute to the teachers for their precious contributions to the society. Teachers' Day is a day for those gifted souls who work hard every day to make sure that the future of the children is always bright. It is well said that the teachers are even greater than our parents. Parents, they give birth to us. But teachers, they shape our characters and make our entire lives. Thus, we should never disrespect or ignore our teachers, and we should always love and respect them. Thank you and have a good day.
Prayer works wonder. Prayer should spring from the heart. Before starting anything good, we pray to God to seek His blessings. So let us all witness Prayer Dance by Prayer Girls.
जय हो शंकरा आदिदेव शंकरा तेरे जाप के बिना चले ये सांस किस तरह मेरा कर्म तू ही जाने क्या बुरा है क्या भला तेरे रास्ते पे मैं तो आंख मूंद के चला तेरे नाम की जोत ने सारा हर लिया तमस मेरा नमो नमो जी शंकरा भोलेनाथ शंकरा जय त्रिलोकनाथ शंभु हे शिवाय शंकरा नमो नमो जी शंकरा भोलेनाथ शंकरा रुद्रदेव हे महेश्वरा
Now, Roshni and Paramji of our class are invited to deliver a speech on this most special occasion of the Teachers' Day.
A very good morning to Reverend Father, respected Sister Principal, worthy teachers and all my dear friends. I, on the behalf of the whole Antonian family, would like to wish all the teachers a very happy Teachers' Day.
The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength to survive is a teacher. A happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers. Today we celebrate Teachers' Day, a day kept aside to honor the teachers who work every day to make sure that the future is bright for all of us.
Let us take this important opportunity to thank all the teachers who have an impeccable contribution in our lives. Every year, 5th September is celebrated as a Teachers' Day. It is a day of joy and excitement, and every student is looking forward towards their teachers so as to tell them how special they are in their lives. So, I am highly honored to share my views about the teachers on this auspicious occasion.
Students across the country celebrate this day to pay respect and thank their teachers. Teachers are the backbone of a society. They spearhead change by shaping and building students' personality and make them ideal citizens of the country. As one looks at the great impact on the growth, development and well-being of the students and nation, one must agree that teaching is a noble profession.
Teachers' Day is a day remarked to appreciate all the teachers who render themselves to the services of the children and also to the community as a whole. It is also to encourage the teachers who motivate every student to do the better in life. It recognizes many efforts as they help the students to achieve their aims, like those of doctor, musicians, and many more. They also encourage the children to honor and respect the fellow mates and to always cooperate with them.
This day gives them a much needed break from the busy schedule. As teachers are always under pressure to complete the syllabus on time, it helps them relax and enjoy a day meant to celebrate their greatness and contributions.
Teachers are the best source of knowledge and wisdom. From them lead the idea that we would be the best one day. I would like to extend my gratitude to all the teachers for their selfless services and a great dynamic support.
So I would like to humbly wish all the teachers a very happy Teachers' Day.
Comments. A good teacher can inspire hope, ignite the imagination, and instill a love of learning. Now, I would like to request Vanshika of class 10th to recite a poem on this Teachers' Day.
Morning, respected father, respected sister principal, respected teachers, a very happy Teachers' Day to all of you. I, Vanshika, going to speak a poem on Teachers' Day. Teachers paint their minds and guide their thoughts, share their achievements and advise their faults, inspire a love of knowledge and truth, as you light the path which leads you. For our future the brightens with each lesson you teach, each smile you lengthen, each goal you help to reach. For the dawn of each poet, each philosopher and the king begins with the teacher and the wisdom they bring. Thank you and have a nice day.
Now, it's time to acknowledge the untiring efforts of our members. Our classmates are ready here to show our love towards our teachers. Let's enjoy this performance.
Good morning to one and all. I am Nurpreet Singh, student of St. Anthony Convent School, Adhampur of 10th A Standard. Wishes all the teachers Happy Teachers' Day. The dream begins with a teacher who believes in you, who tugs, pushes and leads you to the next plateau. Sometimes poking you with a sharp stick called the truth.
Thanks to be a safe zone. Someone who tried to be a friend first and teacher later. We all owe you so much. Thank you.
It is the supreme art of the teacher to awaken joy in creative expression and knowledge.
Thanks for being a safe zone. Someone who tries to be your friend first and teacher later. We all love you so much. Thank you, dear teachers.
All the efforts and hard works you have invested to bring out the best in us can never be repaid in the mere words. We can only feel grateful for having a teachers like you.
One book, one pen, one child and one teacher can change the world.
It is the supreme art of a teacher to awaken joy in creative and knowledgeable.
The dream begins with the teacher who believes in you, who pushes and leads you to the next plateau, sometimes poking you with a sharp stick called truth.
Teacher is the most important and responsible member of our society because their effort and effect faint off the earth.
Thanks for being our safe zone. Someone who tried to be a friend first and a teacher later. We all owe you so much. Thank you so much, teachers.
Now, I would like to request Mahak of 10th class to express her views on this wonderful occasion. So let's join her.
A teacher takes a hand, opens your mind and touches the heart. Good morning everyone. Today I, Mahak Sharma of class 10th A, I am going to express my feelings to thank the teacher who guide us very Dear teacher, thanks for being my teacher and for guiding me towards the right path of life. I am grateful to you, teacher. I am grateful to you, teacher. Being a teacher is not an easy, so teacher tells, the good teacher explains, the superior teacher demonstrates, the great teacher inspires. You are such a truly a great teacher. You are such a truly a great teacher. Thank you. Thank you for a wonderful year. Wishes you a very, very happy Teacher's Day.
The influence of a teacher can never be erased. We all know the wonderful contribution of teachers in shaping our lives. Let us see how a teacher could inspire by the words of a classmate shine.
They guide us, they inspire us, they teach us. Today I Shine on this very occasion of Teachers' Day is here to share my views on the autobiography of Helen Keller. Helen Adams Keller was born on 26 June 1880 in Alabama, USA. She was deaf, blind and mute. But with the entry of the teacher in her life changed thoroughly. Her teacher named Annie Sullivan made her learn many things. She learned nearly 600 words with the help of a teacher. The very first words which she learned was water. She learned evenly braille script and multiplication tables. So at last, I would like to conclude by saying that teacher makes our life bright. Teacher is the first step which makes our life successful. Without teacher, we are nothing. Thank you, teachers, for making our life wonderful. Thank you for inspiring us. Thank you.
It is an injustice to proceed to the event without calling upon our wings of flight, our pillar of strength, and our constant source of motivation, our director, Reverend Father Joseph Simon, to address the teachers on this special day.
A very good morning to all of you. Today, we are very happy to celebrate the Teachers' Day, a day to honor and respect all the teachers of our nation. First and foremost, I wish all of you a very, very happy Teachers' Day. Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation, said, "Teachers are an open books. The students can learn from them more than the printed books." He also said, every teacher is a light that illumines the life of the students. And it is true, it is a teacher who is illumining the life of the students. On this beautiful day of the Teachers' Day, we are here to wish all the teachers of our nation a very, very happy Teachers' Day. And we have different days, like we have Father's Day, we have Mother's Day, we have Children's Day. In the same way, we have Teachers' Day. And this is a day in a special way to honor and respect the teachers and also thank the teachers the responsibilities that they are entrusted with, and they are fulfilling the responsibilities that is given to them. And a noble mission of enlightening the students and making them the future leaders of our country is entrusted on their shoulders. And the teachers are fulfilling their responsibility a very beautiful manner, because the students are the people or the future of the country is entrusted to them. And it is the responsibility of every teacher to form, to mold, and to make the future of our nation. Children are precious for everyone. They are precious to their parents because they are the symbol of their love. Children are also strong, precious stones in the hands of the teachers, because teachers are there in their hands. It is they are going to make, they are going to mold the students, all those precious stones into beautiful things. It is a teacher who break and mold these precious stones either for good of the country or for the destruction of themselves. If a teacher is good and she is doing good, she is feeling it is my responsibility, a very, very bounden responsibility is entrusted on me, then she can form the students for the good and betterment of our country. If a teacher is not good, not responsible in her responsibilities or the task or the mission that is entrusted to her, then she can simply distract the students. Because a student is learning everything from the life of a teacher. The teacher's life is a most beautiful example that a teacher can give to the children or to the students. So, when they are ready or when they are very much interested to fulfill their responsibilities, then they can very well form in the students. And it is the day Dr. Radhakrishnan is the second president of our India. When some students and his colleagues came together and asked Dr. Radhakrishnan, the president of India, shall we celebrate your birthday on 5th September? Then he said, I am not that much interested to celebrate my birthday separately, but it is my proud privilege if you celebrate on that day, the Teachers' Day. And from that moment onwards, in India, we started to celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th September because Dr. Radhakrishnan was a philosopher, he was a scholar, and also he was a very good teacher. So he wanted to honor and respect all the teachers of our country on that beautiful day of his birthday. So from that moment onwards, we are started to celebrate the Teachers' Day in our country. And today, in this corrupt world, in corrupt society, the duty of a teacher is to plant in the minds of the children the importance of life and also the ways and means to lead a good life. To make a person a good person, that's a prime responsibility of a teacher. And also to make use of all the abilities, the wisdom, the knowledge of a teacher to give to the students and make them dedicated, committed, and also patriotic in our nations. So today, as we are all ready to celebrate the Teachers' Day, I wish all my teachers, especially the teachers of St. Anthony Convent School, Adampur, a very, very happy Teachers' Day. And also, my dear students, it's a most beautiful occasion for all of you to thank the teachers for their great responsibility and the task. Even at the age of 3 onwards, the children are entrusted to the hands of the teachers. And it is the teachers started to form the students from the very age of 3. And it's a very, very great task, a very, very great responsibility. So that responsibility is entrusted on all the teachers. So my students, please thank the teachers. Respect the teachers. It is those teachers have made you, and it is those teachers are making you the future of our nation. And it is a basic education that is given by those teachers, and they teach by their knowledge and also by their life that has become a guiding factor for your life to succeed in your life. So, together with all the students of our school, I thank all the teachers. I respect all the teachers. I salute all the teachers on this beautiful day of Teachers' Day. May the good Lord bless each and every one of you and continue to fulfill your task and your responsibilities that is entrusted to you in a very, 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 very good manner, and also bring all the students satisfied by your way of teaching, by your way of life, and also by your examples. Once again, may the good Lord bless all of you, and may the good Lord guide you, protect you, and lead you in all your endeavors. Thank you once again. A very, very happy Teachers' Day. God bless each and every one of you. Thank you.
Now it's turn to celebrate this fabulous occasion with Punjabi folk dance by Sweet Gita girls and Bhangra boys. So let's gear up to witness this enthusiastic performance.
Now, it's time to show our gratitude towards our respected teachers. I would like to give a charge of thanksgiving to our classmate Sukhmani Kaur Dhillu.
Reverend sister and all our respecting teachers. A teacher. A teacher takes a hand, opens a mind and touches a heart. Without teachers, learning is barren. Life is not filled with questions and learning becomes monotonous. Teachers are those rock stars and game changers who are the motivating factors behind our success. They encourage us to reach for the skies fearlessly and passionately. We all admire these role models for the knowledge they share and love them for their ability to touch our heart. They do whatever they want and they admire to change the world one child at a time. Teachers care for us as much as our own parents do. Because of them, our school has become a home away from home. At last, we all will be thankful to our teachers for the hard work and efforts they have put into us for educating us. Thank you.
Now let's hear words of wisdom from one of our respected teachers.
A very warm good morning to all of you. Best wishes to Reverend Father Joseph Simon, Reverend Sister Principal Jismaria, sisters and teachers on Teachers' Day. I welcome you all on a special day of Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is held on September 5th of every year, which is also the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, one of our former president. He was a great scholar and a statesman who was highly devoted towards education. So, it was decided to celebrate his birthday as a Teachers' Day to honor the noble profession of teaching. The main idea of celebrating Teachers' Day is to draw the attention of society towards the teaching profession. No other profession, either medical or legal, have a day meant to celebrate and honor the best among them. It is an unique honor awarded to teaching profession in our country. Teachers' Day is a special and important day as students offer their respect to teachers for their contribution in the field of education. Behind every successful program lie the manifold attempts of our committed faculty. I would like to take a moment to acknowledge the immense contribution of our dedicated faculty. Now, I would like to extend my gratitude to our illustrious students who always live up our expectation and who are our pillars of strength. Thank you all for making this program a huge success. Happy Teachers' Day.